Alright, so now that you upload it to YouTube, you have that link, and this is the second video on how to screencast, and I'm going to show you how to use Educreations. It's going to take me two short videos to show you how to do this, because one video is showing you how to maybe manipulate existing PowerPoints that you've worked so hard on over the years. You could take those PowerPoints, you just save the PowerPoints as a JPEG, it'll save the backgrounds, and you need help from a program called Dropbox. So let me just kind of show you how this is going to work here. I'm going to exit out of my PowerPoint, and you want to make sure that you download a program called Dropbox. Dropbox is, I'm going to pull it up here. You can kind of see it here at the bottom. Here's my Dropbox folder. So basically it's a program, and here it is right here. I downloaded it onto my computer, and it's a place where I could store basically pictures, slides, things of that nature, and I'm going to use this with Educreations. Now Educreations is used on the iPad, so it's a nice way of getting my PowerPoints into basically JPEG format that then I could use in Educreations, and it's going to take two videos to show you how to do that. Alright, so I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint here, and with any PowerPoint we're going to do save as. So right now you can't really see it because I'm kind of cut off here, but I'm going to file save as. Ignore that because it's with a different program. So here's my save as folder for PowerPoint, and it says create a simple screencast. I want to put that in my Dropbox folder, so I'm going to click on Dropbox, but I don't want to save it as a PowerPoint. I want to save it as a JPEG. Alright, so this is important when we get to the second part of the second video of this. So we want to save it as a JPEG, creating a simple screencast, JPEG interchange format. So once we save it, it's going to say, do you want to export every slide in the presentation or only the current slide? We want to use all the slides, so I'm going to click on every slide. So each slide in your presentation has been saved in a separate folder in Dropbox. So if I go back to my Dropbox folder, you can see where it says creating a simple screencast. I just saved that. I double click. There are all my slides, okay? And so I need these slides to import into Educreations. Now I don't have to import slides in. I could just use generic backgrounds in Educreations. But what I like about this is if you have PowerPoints that you've already done, you could just kind of dump them into Educreations. And I'm going to show you in a second the best I can from my den using my cheap Canon video camcorder to basically just show you how that is done on the iPad. Alright, so that's what you need right now. First, in this first video, you've got to create a Dropbox account, get it onto your laptop, open up the PowerPoint that you want to use the backgrounds for, and then you want to go to File, Save As I just showed you, and save it into Dropbox as a JPEG file. So that's what you need to do for lesson number one for Educreations, and I will show you the next lesson here in a second. So just kind of close this one out and open up the next lesson. Alright, thank you.